Just a quick video to show the engine on the 1983 635 CSI, so you can hear it running and have a look at the temperature gauge and have a listen to it and see what it looks like under the bonnet. As you can see, the engine is nice and tidy and original. There's a few bits that I need to sort out. One of them is the radiator cap's incorrect, so that needs to be changed to the correct radiator cap. And then down here, if you can just see the oil pressure switch, it's got a plastic connector on there that there's just weeping a little bit of oil at the moment, so that's going to be changed as well. The engine bay's not been messed around with. There's no, I've not cleaned it or jet washed it. It is just as it is, hence all the dry leaves and stuff like that. But you can see the suspension top mounts are both in really good condition with no rust. The inner wings have been replaced, well, welded should I say, when the wings were replaced. The same on the other side. So there's no issues at all with rust on the inner wings. It's hard to see, but there's no rust on the bulkhead. There's a chassis number. And you can hear that the engine's ticking over nicely. There's no hunting, no idling issues. The fan's working. The fan was replaced a couple of years ago. Luckily it's clearly new. Going inside. Ooh. The check light's on there because I need to press the brake pedal, so that just turns off the warning to check that your brake lights are working. But yeah, you can see we're idling now at sort of 800 to 900 RPM. Temperature gauge is exactly where it should be, in the middle. I have been driving the car today. There's no knocks or horrible flat spots or anything like that. Hopefully you could see from the previous video that I've got on YouTube where I'm driving on the motorway. It drives very nicely. I don't really have any concerns with this car mechanically. It's very up together and it drives great. If you've got any more questions about this car, you can give me a call on 07824 492 156. I'll be happy to go through them. Thanks for looking.